Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you.
Mrs. Balius' background with family law and her prior experience with the State Attorney General's office made her a perfect fit for my case. Within 15 minutes, Mrs. Balius managed to accomplish what I could not do in nearly 2 years. Her expertise and fighter spirit helped me to prevail, and I will forever be in her debt.
But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.